All right, we're taking off. You guys ready? Hoo, hoo, hoo. Yeah.
Oh, let me zoom in.
Only 18 hours to go. See you there.
And that's just for the first stop.
Yeah, I know.
Roswell,
The first
here
stop.
we come.
Like, do you see the Bigfoot sticker with the flag going like that?
No. They do. That's cool. The greatest. The greatest.
Nate, where are we?
I don't know. Where are we right now?
Missouri?
I feel like I've been abducted.
Let's see. We've been through Ohio, Indiana, Illinois. How's it feel, Curtis?
I feel like I've been stuffed in a trunk.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, their truck pretty much says it all.
Wait, no, it doesn't.
That's the
Oh! Yes, let's go!
Fudge Uranus!
That is so cool.
Oh my god.
You're fine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Curtis. A man of mystery.
nastiest ass fucking water I've ever drank.
How does it feel to spend $5 on something you can't even drink?
Pretty fucking great. Reasons why I'm poor, 101.
You should have asked me because I've had them before.
We're at Whataburger!
Gotta get those nummies.
Change my name to Spoon Man. And if anybody asks me, I'd be like, because I pay people to carry my balls around the spoon.
So you're being 100% serious that there's no way that you would pay a man to put your balls in a spoon?
Yeah, he's gonna pay me to put my balls in the spoon.
Wow.
Hey, just fuck on with that.
All right, so after driving for 24 hours and still not sleeping, going into Planet Fitness here at Roswell to take a shower. Stole him. I was pro. Hey, we're in Roswell, New Mexico. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Curtis. I feel like I'm in Star Wars. Ah! I feel like Obi-Wan Kenobi right now, guys. This is so
It was
cool.
July 1945 when the U.S. Army conducted the first detonation of a nuclear weapon at the Trinity site in southeastern New Mexico. The explosion's destructive power was comparable to about 22 kilotons of TNT. This event sent a message to the entire galaxy. You are not alone.
I get beat up. Tina just owning it.
It's like a normal summer fucking day.
Feels nice, doesn't it?
Tina, why are you alone over there?
What?
She said, why are you alone over there?
Because I'm waiting to be adopted.
Act like you're having fun.
Zoom in and get the pictures of the fucking, all those rocks up there.
Where are they at?
Over here.
Am I hitting them?
This way more.
Over here? This way. My God.
And as for the second one,
Go back and roll that one. You never did take that picture of us at the
We're in Tucson, Arizona right now. Got to warm it up. Been on about 5 hours of sleep altogether.
Introducing competitor number 4, also making his high-impact wrestling debut. From the wrong turn of Pikeville, Kentucky, weighing in at 220 pounds, he is the urban legend, Chainsaw Horror Champion, Evil Nate!
Go sell that, you piece of trash! How about that? How about that? Now watch this. Go, big man!
No, stood!
Where's he at? He's one.
I'd be so fucking upset.
Filming.